So what would you do in a situation like this? You're driving along by yourself, your vehicle breaks down and it's storming. Rain's coming and you're 20 miles from nowhere or anywhere. Anyway, I guess you know we have some shelter in here, but the rain would run down on your legs and get you all wet. What kind of shelter do you think is around here to stay out of the, stop from getting wet? I'm gonna look around a little bit and see what kind of resources there are here. Would this be a good place? Pretty thick right here. Think you'd stay out of the, stop from getting wet. Canopy, pretty thick. Let's see how dry it is. Let's see how dry it is right here by the base of this tree. Let's check the soil. It is dry. Thinking of a person wanting to stand here, you know, break some sticks off and stand close to this tree. You look straight up, you see that it's pretty thick canopy here. Could probably stay pretty dry till the rain passed or till you found something a little better. Anyway, that's one idea. Now look at this tree, this fir here. It's really thick. And I'm thinking, so if you get, there's less wind maybe, you need to get out of the wind. Standing right in here might be a really good place to sit down till the rain passes. Let's check this out. See, there's a little place to sit. You look straight up and it is thick. I'm not feeling any rain here and I'm sitting down now. Can relax here. Feels really dry. But I am feeling rain coming right through here. It's slanting and coming in. This is not a good spot. So I did get stuck out in the rain. And I got in here, this cluster of trees. It seems drier. You see I'm pretty wet. And I need to stay drier than this if I get stuck here. It's less, you look up here is an opening. I'm getting some rain, but a lot less. So let me see if I can find an even better place. Let me look around. That lightning. So I found a really tight tree, standing right up against it. Now you look up and you'll see nothing but solid branches above me, feeling no drops. No drops at all. So I can stay dry here. Hopefully it passes. Here comes some more lightning. Hope this is not a tree that's going to get hit by lightning though. I might not want to be in a tall tree. But it's dry. Broke some branches off here to cuddle into the tree. And I'm feeling no rain yet right here. I'm on the downside of the wind too. Thought it'd stop raining. I went out and big drops were going on out there. So I said, hey, I'm gonna get back where I was and see, taking off my hat, now I have a bare head, see if there really is no rain hitting me. And I'm not feeling rain, maybe a little mist once in a while. There's a big tree. Look at that massive tree. I don't want to be a lightning strike, but boy, it sure looks dry in here. I think this would be out of the wind, and you'd still be. Let me see what it's like when I take my hat off. If I can feel any. I feel no rain.